The best way to gain control of the most intelligent, powerful species on the planet would be to completely divide them from the love within themselves. As soon as they are old enough to begin creating an understanding of who they are, force them into a system that teaches them that it is wrong to be yourself if yourself is different from what is accepted as normal. Confuse them about their own biological makeup so that they think that permanently altering their body is the answer to happiness. Require their daily attendance at an institution that makes them focus only on the information that is provided. Make them attend that institution from age 5 until an adult and repeatedly test them on the information so that it becomes their truth. Give them an explanation to everything so that they never have a chance to make their own assumptions of the world. Scold them and humiliate them if they suggest an opinion that opposes that of their authorities. Keep reminding them of how cruel their ancestors were to each other in the past and broadcast how cruel they are to each other in the present. Only show them tragedies on the news so that they live in fear and think the worst of one another. Convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Make them think that their very
Umlungu uthi kule video, the best way to control a powerful and intelligent species on planet Earth is to do the following. Now, sikhumbule ukuthi ngokwama research, ngokwama scientists, ama species ahlakaniphile kunawo wonke according to DNA results is ama Africans. Is abantu because they have 9 DNA series. Bese belandelwa yini? Balandelwa abelungu nezinye izizwe. Zonke izizwe zabelungu lezi enenyo lezimnyama siyabalandela, including ama Chinese nabo bonke abanye bana 6 DNA series. Bese kulandela ichimpanzee. Ichimpanzee ina 5 DNA series ngokobuhlakani, intelligence. Bese kuzolandela ama orangutan ana 4 DNA series. Now umlungu uthi kule video engivule ngayo, if ufuna ukucontrola isizwe sabantu aba-intelligent naba-powerful, kumele wenze lezi zinto engizozibala la. Ngithe ngifuna ukuthi ngiyihlahlele kahle one by one ngoba lapha kwi-video uyashesha kakhulu. Number 1, uthi divide them from the love within themselves. Okusho ukuthi enza sure ukuthi uyabadivide ukuze kuzoba nzima ukuthi bathandane. I-division iqala ngisho emndenini. We are divided ngokwama careers. Uthola ukuthi omunye udonsa yale, omunye udonsa yale, omunye ufuna ukuba udokotela, omunye ufuna ukuba uthisha, omunye ufuna ukuba iphoyisa. We are divided ngokwasemndenini nje kukodwa. Even nayinkolo nazo, inkolelo zethu zisenza sibe divided because omunye uthi yena akahlangana nedlozi, omunye uhlangana nedlozi, omunye uthi mina ngihlangana nomuntu okhonza ukuthi, omunye uthi angihlangana nomuntu okhonza ukuthi. We are divided. Yabo, siphinde soba divided ngenxa yama political parties, indaba zama sports. We are divided nje. So uyasho ukuthi into yokuqala uma ufuna ukuthi ucontrol isizwe noma ucontrol ama species are powerful nahlakaniphile, you must make sure ukuthi you divide them. Bese kuthi number 2, uthi as soon as they are old enough to create an understanding of who they are, force them into a system that teaches them it is wrong to be yourself if yourself is different from what is accepted as normal. Uthi umlungu lana, as soon as ingane zikhula zaleso sizwe is powerful nesihlakaniphile, as soon as zikhula enough ukuthi zikwazi ukuthi ziyibone ukuthi zoba, uthi azifundiswe lezo ingane ukuthi zazi ukuthi ku wrong ukuba uwena if kuukuthi ukuba uwena kuhlukile from what is normal. For example, ubukuzi uthola ukuthi ingane ithi ayifuna ukuya esikoleni ngoba yona ifuna ukuba umculo, ngoba yona ikwazi ukudweba, bese kuthiwa hamba esikoleni because that is not normal ukuthi wena uzokwenza enye into other than ukuthi uye esikoleni. Yabo, inqaba yabantu abaphuma ngenkani ezikoleni, abaphuma ngenkani from what is normal, namhlanje baphumelele. Namhlanje baphumelele, they are living their dreams. Kodwa i-system did not allow them, including their parents. They were forcing them into the system ukuthi i-system ithambe esikoleni yofunda, uthola umsebenzi, ukhohle indaba ukuthi ufuna ibhizinisi, ukhohle indaba ukuthi ufuna ukuba umculo noma ufuna ukuba yini. So i-system lana it's as soon as they are old enough to create an understanding of who they are, force them into a system that teaches them it is wrong to be yourself if yourself is different from what is accepted as normal. Siqhubeke nayo siye number 3. Uthi umlungu confuse them about their own biological makeup. So they think that permanently altering their body is the answer to happiness. Uthi ba confuse ngobubona. That's why you get abantu besilisa abagunda inwele zabo bayibiza ngodoti. Yabo bathi babi. Athi umuntu sengimuba awuthi ngigundele lento esekhanda because that's how they were taught. Yabo about their own makeup. Ukuthi no uNkulunkulu wenza iphutha ngokuthi anginike inwele. uNkulunkulu wenza iphutha ngokuthi anginike intshebe. Yabo uNkulunkulu wenza iphutha ngokuthi anginike amadevu. Konke ngiyakususa mina. Yabo because that is how we were taught ukuthi ukuze ube muhle gunda ekhanda. Yabo even abantu besifazane ukuze ube muhle gcoba lento egcoba ebusweni ukuze ube muhle. Gcoba umlomo ukuze ube muhle. Faka le nwele lezi zinto ezifaka emakhanda ukuze ube muhle umuhleke umunjalo. Confuse them about their own makeup so that they will think ukuthi bayishintshe is ukujabula. Yabo is the answer to happiness. Kuzothi number 4, require daily attendance only at an institution that makes them focus only on the information provided. Bathi lana as soon as ingane sencane kumele ziye ku institution ethize. Kuleyo institution izothola ulwazi. Kungabe se crash, kungabe se primary, kungabe se high school, kungabe se university noma college. Kuleyo institution ziyothola ulwazi. Kodwa ulwazi abazolithola lapho ulwazi lolu i-institution ekhethe ukuthi banike lona. Bayakhethela ukuthi banikwa luphi ulwazi. Ngicela ukuphinda lokho. Bayakhethelwa ukuthi iluphi ulwazi abanikwa lona kuleyo institution. Right? Kuthiwa that makes them focus only on the information that is provided. Make them attend the information from age 5. Okusho ukuthi kuleyo institution baqala from age 5 ukuthi ba-attend ama-institution. From age 5 iya crash ingane. From age 7 ngale phezulu iya primary. From age 13 to 18 iya high school. From age 18 mhlawumbe to 21 iya e-tertiary. And kuzona zonke lezo ndawo i-information onikwa yona ekhethwe ibona. Bese kuthiwa repeatedly test them on the information so that it becomes their truth. Le information abakunika yona ku-institution ubusuyatestwa kuyona so that uzoyitshela ukuthi iqiniso. Ngisho ngathiwa iyamanga but because unikiwe le information wafundiswa yona wabusuyatestwa kuyona. Ngokutestwa kuyona wayithola right uzobe usuyitshela ukuthi iqiniso. Kanti iyamanga. That is why you will get abanye abantu athi mezu information ehlukile from le ayifunda kuma institution bese thini bese uyahlanya. Bese unamanga because ihlukile from lento afundiswa yona. Siqhubeke siya ku point number 5 ukuthi uthini umlungu. Uthi umlungu give them an explanation to everything so that they never have a chance to make up their own assumption of the world. Uthi for yonke into banike explanation ukuze bengeke basicabangele ngokwabo izinto ezenzakala emhlabeni. So for each and everything umuntu ayibuzayo there is an explanation so that engeke azabe nesikhathi sokuthi ayicabangele yena ngokwakhe ngoba ozabona ezinye izinto engamele ukuthi ayibone. Yabo njengoba kumele ukuthi umqondo wakhe udungeke. Siqhubeke siye ku number 6. Uthi umlungu lapha scold them and humiliate them if they suggest an opinion that opposes that of their authorities. If kuukuthi ubeke i-opinion kuleyo institution osukuye kuyona ngabe ise-crash, ise-primary, ise-high school, ise-tertiary, if ubeke umbono ohlukile from umbono onikwa i-authority mhlawumbe uthisha wakho wenziwa njani? Uyathethiswa bese uyahlazwa ngoba wena uphikisa into eshiwo ama-authorities. So kwenziwa ngawe example ukuthi ufunde ukuthi ama-authorities awaphikiswa. Right? Siqhubeke siye ku number 7. Uthi keep reminding them of how cruel their ancestors were to each other in the past and broadcast how cruel they are to each other in the present. Uthi umlungu lana lesizwe sifundisa ukuthi okhokho baso babe cruel kanjani, babengalungile kanjani. And broadcast also ukuthi bona bebodwa abalungile kanjani to each other. That is why kuma broadcast amaningi you'll find ukuthi isizwe ekufocus kuthola kakhulu ilesi abantu abamnyama bayadlwengula, bayabulala, gender based violence. Kodwa nazinye izizwe ziyakwenza lokho. Kodwa kubroadcastwa lokho. Ngale ndlela ekubroadcastwa ngayo kubantu abamnyama. Ziyakwenza konke ezinye izizwe lokho. Ziyadakwa, zikwenza konke nje lokho. Kodwa you will find ukuthi the focus will be kulesizwe lesi esi-powerful and esi-intelligent ukuze sizoluza i-confidence kusona. Right? Siqhubeke nayo. Ithi uthi umlungu only show them tragedy on the news. That is why uthi muvula indaba kuhlezi kuvela izinto eziyimanga futhi izinto ezi-negative. It's a system ukuthi each and every day kuvezwe indaba ezimbi ngani. Ukuthi sekwenziwa ukuthi enjona ukuthi sekubulawa ingane kwenza each and every day kuvezwa indaba ezimbi ngani. Why kwenziwa lokho? It's because so that you can live in fear and think the worst of one another. Khona nizophila ngokusaba and nicabanga okubi ngani, niyibone as isizwe simbi esingalungile. That's why kukhona indaba broadcastayo daily 24/7 kahle kahle. Kwezinye indawo Monday to Sunday dlala indaba eziveza ukusaba neziveza okubi ngani. Socela ukuthi sibambe la uzolandela upart 3. Siyabonga.